Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting a new playlist on a food delivery system using Next.js and Tailwind for the client side and NestJS for the server side. So we're going to be starting with the front end part of things. I got this design for free on Figma, and we're going to be partially using it because, for one, we're not going to be using authentication with this, because I want the user to just come on the app and buy and have things delivered to them without having to really register. Here we are in this empty foodpal folder. To start up this project, we need to generate a new Next app. It's npx create Next app. And no, we don't want to use TypeScript. Yes, link, yes. Tailwind, yes. Source, yes. App router, yes. So while that is loading, we'll go over to this website, and it's 5 icon. I'll just make it bigger so you can really see. Yeah. So 5 icon, go to this URL, and you just drop an image here, which would be any kind of icon you want to use. So I downloaded this image online, and I'll just download, and it gives you a zip file. When you unzip it, it should look like this. What you want to do is to copy all of this and send it to your public folder. Go to your public folder and then you paste it there. All right, so let's check our app. All right, done installing. So what we need to do next is to configure our layout. We need to change the configurations on this metadata here. I'll change the name of the app to foodpal. And I'll just say for the description, I'll just say buy food online. Buy food online. And I'll paste in a bunch of other code here. And this is just taking this from here. So I'll copy this touch icon, and then I'll replace all of this. All right, so we're done with that. Next, we have to delete this. So because we're setting a new fav icon, and then we delete this, all of the defaults. All right. So now we can start our app with npm run dev. Okay, we have our app ready. So since we're building this for a mobile design, we're going to be using an emulator to make this look more mobile. Right? All right, so this is what we have. So what we want to do now is remove all of this and make it exactly like this, apart from the background image, because we do not have that. So we'll be using another image for that. I'm going to paste the background image I'm going to be using inside of this folder. All of this will be available on my GitHub, which I will share in the description of this video. All right, so we have our image here. We're going to copy this and going to use it for this page here. So we go here, we remove everything that is here. All right, and then we add our div, our background div, and then over here, and then there is this other div containing these details inside, which should be, so this is a h1. Welcome to foodpal. The p tag under it. This cover a world of delightful flavors, I think. And let's add a span here so it's easier to move this down no matter what kind of screen we're using. All right. So now we have that down. Let's save and see what we have. All right, so this is what we have, but we want this background to be the whole width of the screen, and we want to add the background image, and then we want this to appear here at the bottom of this div. So let's do that. So first we add the background image with style and background image. And we go URL. So you have to remove the public or else it won't work. And then we save, see the background image, but it's not looking nice. So we'll add classes. So I'm not going to be going deep into Twintail classes or Twintail as a whole. If you want a tutorial, leave a like on the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. All right, let's go. First of all, we'll make this the full screen, the width, the full screen, and the height full screen too. We save this. All right. Looking nice, but not nice enough. We say BG cover, position the background better. Okay, nicer. Then we say BG center to center the background. All right, this is nice enough. All right, so next we want to get this div down there. So we'll say here relative for position. All right, and then the class name here. This should be absolute. And then the bottom is 6. Since everything is white inside, I want to say text white here, just so I don't have to write them for each one. And then I want to make this flex. Flex direction is column. I want to give it a gap of 3. And save that. All right, so I'll make the width full so I can align items to the center. That's to the center. So for this, I need to bring it to the center. I'll give it a class name of text center. All right, nice. And I'll make it a flex 2, and then flex direction is column. All right, so I have that nice display. Something wrong with the flavor. All right. So for this, I'll just make the text bigger. Text class name. It's wrong with me. Class name text size will be 2XL. 2XL for text size, and this I'll reduce the opacity to 90. Alright, here you've got that kind of dull look now. And let's check this out. Alright, I think this is nicely done. So if you've liked the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the next video, we'll go on to build the homepage and the rest of the components. See you in the next one.